Today we will guide you how to manage your contacts in Calilio, from blocking, deleting, to even unblocking. Starting with blocking or deleting contacts. First up, just log into your Calilio dashboard and hit up the Contacts section. Here you can search for the person by name, email, or their number. Once you find the contact, click on their number to view their details. Now, look for the 3 dots and click on them. You'll get 2 options: block or delete the contact. To block them, just click Block Number and confirm it. If you prefer to remove them from your list entirely, select Delete Contact instead. Bother you. Now, what if you block someone by mistake but want to retrieve that person again? No worries, you can unblock them too. Log back into your dashboard, go to Settings, and then to Block Lists. Search for that contact by name or number, hover over it, and you'll see the Unblock Number button. Hit that, confirm, and they're back in your contacts. There you have it. Blocking, deleting, or unblocking contacts in Calilio is pretty straightforward.